In this video, we'll learn how to use Excel to perform the F-test for the difference between the two variances. We will use the two sample F-test included in the data analysis add-in to conduct the hypothesis test for two variances. First, make sure we have the data analysis add-in that has been added to your Excel. So if you click on the Home, Options, Excel add-in, click Go, make sure that this is checked for Analysis Toolpath. Alright, so let's quickly review that process here. If you go to File, Options, and then Add in, Go, make sure it's Add, click OK. Okay, let's say I have two data A and data B. And I know that I'm given alpha 0.05. And I want to test the standard deviations. We always assume that the standard deviation of the first sample population is equal to the standard deviation of the second population. And now the claim say that the standard deviation of the first one is less than the standard deviation of the second one. Because this is less than, so this is a left tail test. Or when you look at the arrow, it's pointing to the left. So this is a left tail test. Okay, the first step is that we need to enter all the value, the data A and data B, in two columns. And now we click on the tab Data. We start here and we click Data Analysis and we pick the option F-test to sample for variances and click OK. Once you are inside this box, we select all of the first sample values for the variable 1 range. And for the variable 2 range, we select the second one. And then the alpha level, make sure you adjust that. And the output, you can click anywhere, right? And it should give you this answer here. Let's try it over here. Okay, so we go to the tab Data. We click on Data Analysis and we pick the F-test. The F-test to sample for variances here. Click OK. Variable 1 range, I drag everything from the first one. And then for the second one, I drag everything for the second one. And then my alpha level is 0.05, right, from the problem. And I want the output range. Click on the cell. You can pick any spot. Let's just say here, right? This is empty. So I click OK. And here is the display of my analysis. Right, I have the mean, the variance, the real freedom, and the F, right? The test and the p-value and so on. So the F is the test statistic 0.5187, and the p-value of one tail is here 0.09715, and because the p-value is greater than alpha, only 0.05. We do not reject the null hypothesis in this case because the p-value is bigger than alpha. So that is how we use the F-test for two samples for variances to test the hypothesis.